Installation methods for anchoring adhesives vary, depending on the application environment. All rely, however, on the same basic drill, clean, fill procedure. For standard installation in concrete, first locate all holes. Next, drill holes to the specified depth and diameter. Vacuum drill systems may also be used during drilling to reduce dust and eliminate the need for hole cleaning. If using a standard drill in dry or damp conditions, holes must be cleaned using a blow, brush, blow method. This step is critical for ensuring proper performance of the adhesive. First, remove dust from the hole with compressed air. The air nozzle must reach the bottom of the hole. Next, clean the hole with a brush. Select either a nylon or wire brush, depending on your formulation and application. Then, use compressed air again to remove any remaining dust. Duration of blowing and number of brush strokes varies according to the product type. See packaging for specific details. In submerged environments, once again, be sure holes are drilled to the specified depth and diameter. Next, remove slurry from the hole by flushing it with water until the water runs clear. Then, clean the hole with a brush. Select either nylon or wire, depending on your formulation. Finally, remove the last bit of slurry from the hole by flushing again until the water runs clear. When choosing an adhesive, be sure to select one that is approved for submerged environments. First, open the top of the cartridge following package instructions and attach the nozzle. Dispense product onto scrap material until it appears uniform in color to ensure it is properly mixed. Then, starting from the bottom to prevent voids, fill the hole, withdrawing the nozzle as the hole fills up. For dry or damp holes, fill 1/2 to 2/3 full. For water-filled and submerged holes, fill the hole completely. In this environment, a piston plug system is required. Insert a clean, oil-free anchor, turning slowly until the anchor contacts the bottom of the hole. Do not disturb the anchor until the adhesive has fully cured. See the cure schedule for your specific adhesive. As a best practice, keep cartridges warm in cool weather and cool in warm weather for longer working time and easier dispensing. If installing an overhead, horizontal, or submerged applications, a piston plug system is required to prevent voids in the adhesive. Attach flexible tubing to the cartridge nozzle and a piston plug to the other end. Cut the tubing to the length needed. Insert the piston plug to the back of the drilled hole and dispense the adhesive. Fill 1/2 to 2/3 full. As adhesive is dispensed, the piston plug will slowly be displaced. For submerged environments, fill the hole completely. Install the appropriate Simpson Strong-Tie adhesive retaining cap. Push the anchor through the retaining cap and into the adhesive-filled hole. Turn slowly until it contacts the bottom of the hole. Do not disturb until fully cured. For masonry applications like brick and hollow CMU, use the same drilling and cleaning procedures as before. A screen tube must be used instead of dispensing directly into the hole. Fill the screen completely with adhesive, starting from the bottom and withdrawing the nozzle to prevent voids. Insert the adhesive-filled screen into the hole. Then insert the anchor, turning slowly until it contacts the bottom of the screen. For in-depth installation guidance, visit our Learning Center at strongtie.com/adhesive training.